In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a receipt showing open credit in QuickBooks Online. This process is especially useful for keeping your accounts organized and ensuring that your customers are always aware of their outstanding balances. We'll walk through each step together, so by the end of this video you'll be able to efficiently send receipts with open credit information using QuickBooks Online. Firstly, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you don't yet have a login, make sure to set one up beforehand to ensure a smooth process. Once you're on the QuickBooks login page, enter your credentials and click the Continue button. This will take you right to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Customers and Leads section. This is where you can manage all your customer interactions and data. Then find and click on Customers to open a list of all your clients. This section is essential as it helps you manage the details of your customers effectively, setting the stage for sending accurate statements. Next, it's time to select the customer's profile to whom you wish to send the receipt. This step is crucial as it tailor fits the statement to the specific customer's transactions and credits. After accessing the customer's profile, look for the New Transaction drop-down. Click the drop-down to view the available transaction types, and from here click on Statement. This action will guide you to an interface where you can prepare the document including your customer's open credits. Upon accessing the statement setup, you'll see an option labeled Statement Type. Click on this to choose the Open Item format. This selection is vital because it ensures that the statement focuses on the open credits, thus notifying the customer of their outstanding amounts clearly. Before proceeding, take a moment to review and edit any additional statement details if necessary. This might include the period covered by the statement or other relevant transaction data. Once you've configured all the necessary details, click on Save and Send. QuickBooks will prepare the statement for delivery. Before you hit send, you have one last opportunity to review the email notification that accompanies the statement. You might want to customize the email message to make it more personal or informative. This personal touch can often help maintain a good rapport with your customers and ensure they receive the intended message. Finally, once everything is set, go ahead and click send. QuickBooks will now dispatch the receipt with the open credit information to your customer, and there you have it. You've successfully sent a receipt showing open credit in QuickBooks Online. This efficient process not only aids in better financial management, but also helps in maintaining clear communication with your customers about their outstanding balances. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.